1400. So Karnataka wages will go up to, Manrega wages every day will be 530 rupees per day. Similarly, we will come out with an urban Narega. And our fifth guarantee is to our unemployed youth, educated and uneducated unemployed youth. We will give you, as Rahul Gandhi ji has said, apprenticeship training. And every month, Government of India will pay 8,300 rupees to every young person. 1 lakh rupee every year. This way our children will get skilled and youth will have money in their hands. These are the 5 Congress guarantees. The BJP State President Vijendra, Mr. Yedurappa, Mr. Bommai, Mr. Modi, Mr. Amit Shah, Mr. JP Nadda are so angry that sadly, regrettably, Vijendra made a statement yesterday that guarantees are a burden, Garibi Hatao should not be done. This is what Vijendra, the state BJP president, is saying. I challenge you, Mr. Vijendra. Every congressman will defend these guarantees with the last drop of our blood. We will not let BJP shut down the guarantees. We will give these 5 guarantees for full 5 years to people of Karnataka and give these 5 guarantees that Government of India has promised to people after 3rd June. This statement of the state BJP President Vijendra, it shows the anti-poor, anti-SC, ST, OBC minority, anti-salaried class, anti-general category poor mindset of the BJP. But we will not let them do so. We have prevented them in Karnataka, we will prevent them in India. They only have to offer what BJP and Modi ji has to offer. BJP Chambu Sarkara. When Karnataka asks for 11,400 crore of drought relief in such hot weather, Modi gives us Chambu. When Karnataka asks for 59,000 crore of our share in the 15th Finance Commission, Modi government gives us Chambu. When Karnataka asks for that it gives 100 rupees in taxes, but Government of India only gives it back 13 rupees, Modi government gives it Chambu. When Karnataka says, give 6,000 crore rupees of Bhadra Dam that you promised in Union Budget, they give us Chambu. When Karnataka asks for a peripheral road of Bangalore, which would benefit Kolar and Chikballapur immensely, which will completely change the landscape, they don't give us money, they give us Chambu. So this will be our return gift of people of Karnataka to Mr. Modi. They are going to give all seats with blessings of people. We will get all 28 seats. Thank you.
Sir, BJP is saying guarantees are short term, but their guarantees are long term. Like that, they are saying it will be failed balloon.
My friend, that balloon has been punctured 10 years ago. Modi's guarantees have turned out to be all fake. I ask you today, where are the 15 lakh rupees that were to be put in the account of every Indian by Modi? Have you received it? Nobody. So it's a fake. So it's fakery. It's falsehood. Where are the 2 crore jobs that were to be given to youth every year by Mr. Modi? 20 crore jobs were to be given. They are all fake. Where is the doubling of farmers' income by 2022? That is also fake. Where is the 100 smart cities by 2022? Fake. Where is it what Mr. Modi promised that everybody will have a Pakka house by 2022? That also turned out to be fake. Where are the 80 lakh crore that were to be brought back from Swiss bank accounts, black money? That is also a fake. So it is proved Modi's guarantees are fake and that balloon has been punctured. Congress has delivered on each one of the guarantees. That's the difference. So their model is Chambu model. Our model is what we promise we deliver. Thank you.